Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a natural homemade cream using simple kitchen ingredients. First, take 50 grams of rice and blend it into a fine powder. Rice powder rich in antioxidants and amino acids. Rice powder helps brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone. Next, take 50 grams of chickpeas and also blend them into a powder. Chickpea powder, a natural cleanser full of zinc and protein. Chickpea powder helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and fight acne-causing bacteria. It also tightens the skin and improves elasticity. Now, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of rice powder and 3 tablespoons of chickpea powder. Pour in 150 grams of water, then heat gently while stirring until you get a creamy texture. Once it's creamy, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch powder and mix well. Let it cool down. After cooling, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. While helping to absorb excess oil and calm irritation. It makes the cream feel light and non-greasy on your skin, and the oil from 3 vitamin E capsules. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth. Vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant that slows signs of aging, reduces fine lines, and protects the skin from environmental damage. It also improves skin repair and leaves it nourished and youthful. Pour the mixture into an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, and you can use it for up to 2 weeks. Anti-aging support. The blend of rice, vitamin E, and chickpea powder helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Using this cream regularly will leave your skin soft, bright, hydrated, and naturally glowing. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells naturally without harsh chemicals. With consistent use, this cream not only moisturizes, but also brightens, heals, and protects your skin naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel